Lacey, help me with her.
Oh.
You back off. Here. Good job, I can do it. Stand.
Whoa! Whoa! Look at that. It's the legs.
Clap.
It's like dancing too.
Turn up the sound.
Okay. Turn it up. This is where we really pick it up a little bit.
Oh, you have to get one, Jerry.
All right, Mike, you got to do the spin. There you go. Let's see the legs go now. Let them go.
She's got all the moves. You got all the moves, Mike.
And you don't want that.
Look at the hat.
This might be the funniest thing I've ever seen.
That's what you need to do.
Mom.
It's the power.
I think he's a natural, LD. Daddy's Maureen. Come on, look.